Another question that many students have asked me is, what subjects should I be studying to be a good designer?
Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class. So we've been covering the major subjects, right? Like sketching and draping and pattern making. Those are all part of your skill set. But there are other subjects that you should study. For example, merchandising and marketing. See, once you have your designs, you need to promote and sell them to the world. Merchandising explains to a specific customer group why your line contains the right product at the right time at the right price. That is what merchandising is. Marketing is the process of advertising your line to a desired target audience. Embrace social media and learn to use it as a vehicle to share your designs. All your potential clients and customers are online, right? I mean, who isn't, right? CAD, computer-aided design. Learning these software programs such as Illustrator, for example, to create flats, technical flats, which is a technical drawing of a garment that is laid flat to show design details such as seams and stitching, elements of design. Knowing what elements make a good design is valuable. Knowing about proportion and balance and texture. Yes, ultimately fashion style is a matter of personal taste. But in the context of art, even Picasso started by learning the basic principles of design, which he then conformed to his own taste and choice, thus coming up with a totally new design style and vision. There are other activities that I've mentioned, and going to art galleries, for example, vintage shopping, building a portfolio, following online platforms. Like Pinterest. Pinterest is a good one for you to follow and explore. So, all right, I'll see you in the next video.
Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.